In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pixelate images, photos, in Pixlr Online completely for free. Once you have your image on Pixlr, click Filter, and then click Pixelate. If you're unable to do this, it's probably because your image is not locked. So click this to unlock it. Go to Filter, Pixelate, and if you move it to the right, notice that the image is pixelating. Okay, 90 sounds good. If you want to apply this to text, click on text, or on the left is T is the shortcut. Click and drag on your screen to add a text. And then go to filter. But notice that we cannot pixelate as it's not shaded. So click on the text icon, right click, and then click rasterize layer. So now if we go to filter, we can pixelate our text, as you can see. And here's the before, and here's the after. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found value, drop this video a like, comment down below, share the video, and subscribe or follow for more. I'm out. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.